Hi guys, welcome to our video lecture series of Laplace transforms. So we are talking about the inverse transform from last three videos, and we have took some examples, and we have we solved and we see that how to solve the inverse transform of this functions, basic functions. So today we will talk about another property of inverse transforms, that is Laplace inverse of 1 over s multiplied by function of s. So this is equals to integral 0 to t function of t dt, and this function of t we can get it from this function of s. So let's take a question. Let's say we have to find the inverse transform of 1 over s multiplied by 1 over s multiplied by s squared plus a squared. So I can write this function as Laplace inverse transform of 1 over s multiplied by 1 over s squared plus a squared. And we can see that now this function is broken into 1 over s multiplied by f of s, where f of s, this implies that the f of s is equals to 1 over s squared plus a squared. Now the f of s is equals to 1 over s squared plus a squared. So in the denominator I can see that it is a function that makes a function of t as a sine function. So this implies that if I multiply by a in the numerator, so I have to divide it by a in the denominator. So now this function is 1 over a, and the Laplace inverse of this function will be equal to sine of a t divided by a. So now I have found from f of s, I have found the f of t, that is sine of a t divided by a. So now I can integrate it from 0 to t sine of a t divided by a dt, that is equals to 1 over a multiplied by negative cos of a t divided by a, and limits from 0 to t. So I can take negative sign outside, and inside the bracket I will left with cos at, and the limits are from 0 to t. Now I will apply the limits, and what we get is cos at minus cos of 0. I will simplify, so cos of at remains same and cos of 0 is 1. Now I will multiply negative sign to the bracket, and I will get 1 minus cos at inside. So now I can see that Laplace inverse transform of 1 over s multiplied by 1 over s squared plus a squared is equals to 1 minus cos of a t divided by a squared. So this is our final answer. Thank you for watching our video, guys. In the next lecture we will talk about partial fractions and some other properties of inverse transforms. Thank you.